They claimed losing muscle after 60 was inevitable. They insisted it was simply part of getting older. The reality is far more troubling. Major supplement corporations understand there's a natural method to restore strength, one concealed in traditional tea preparations that have kept individuals mobile and robust well into their 90s for generations. Why the silence? Weak muscles generate profits through increased medication sales, therapy sessions, and medical interventions. Research demonstrates one particular tea can enhance muscular strength by over 22% within weeks. Most older adults remain unaware, until now. This video reveals 3 teas capable of transforming your physical condition, beverages that rebuild muscle while combating inflammation, rigidity, and exhaustion internally. A confidential Japanese study uncovered something remarkable. Seniors consuming these teas exhibited faster walking speeds than individuals 2 decades younger, with actual muscle regeneration occurring. No supplements or prescriptions required, just 3 simple preparations you can create at home. Before continuing, consider 2 essential questions. First, have your legs weakened despite maintaining daily activity? Second, do your muscles ache following basic tasks like stair climbing or grocery carrying? Share your responses below. We're providing personalized guidance to every comment. Let's begin with our 3rd place tea. Hibiscus tea presents a ruby-colored beverage resembling something from a tropical paradise, yet it functions internally as a circulation enhancer. Beyond 60, you might experience days when legs swell, ankles puff, or feet feel heavy following brief walks. This is an unfortunate coincidence, but evidence that blood vessels aren't efficiently transporting oxygen-rich blood to muscles. Without robust circulation, muscles deteriorate, losing endurance and recovering slowly after simple activities. Hibiscus contains natural compounds called anthocyanins, pigments providing deep crimson coloring while protecting blood vessels. Consuming hibiscus tea allows these anthocyanins to relax and widen blood vessels through vasodilation, permitting increased blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients muscles require for repair and growth. Enhanced circulation reduces leg swelling, decreases muscle tightness, and restores mobility. Hibiscus also provides mild diuretic effects, gently removing excess fluid causing bloating and stiffness. For seniors experiencing leaden legs, this tea lightens each step. Prepare hibiscus tea using 2 teaspoons dried petals per cup. Boil water fully, pour over petals, and steep 5 to 7 minutes. Longer steeping intensifies flavor. Strain and enjoy warm or iced. Add fresh orange slices for vitamin C, enhancing anthocyanin effectiveness. A 2018 clinical trial found older adults drinking hibiscus twice daily for 6 weeks reduced systolic blood pressure by 11 points and improved lower limb circulation by 17%. This transforms exhausting walks into confident strides. Hibiscus tea reminds us nature's vibrant colors often conceal powerful healing properties. Our 2nd tea is ginger tea, a golden warmth awakening your body internally. Past 60, you may experience morning stiffness, aching legs, or frozen backs. This stiffness signals chronic inflammation accumulating in muscles and connective tissue. Lingering inflammation degrades muscle fibers, delays healing, and produces progressive weakness. Ginger contains gingerols, potent anti-inflammatory agents working through bloodstreams to calm tissue irritation. Drinking ginger tea allows gingerols to reduce muscular swelling, helping contraction and relaxation. This transforms painful, slow walks into smoother, natural movement. Ginger enhances blood circulation, essential for muscle recovery following mild activity. Improved blood flow accelerates nutrient and oxygen delivery while removing soreness-causing waste products. Over time, This means fewer immobile days and more days feeling capable and ready. Prepare ginger tea by slicing 2 inches fresh root thinly for 2 cups water. Boil water, add ginger slices, then simmer gently 10 minutes. This slow simmer extracts gingerol's muscles need most. Strain and sip hot. Add honey for antioxidants or lemon for vitamin C for intense soreness. Simmer 15 minutes instead. A 2019 study showed daily ginger supplementation improved muscle recovery by 25% in older adults after moderate exercise, with participants reporting reduced pain and increased mobility. This improvement isn't merely comfort but reclaiming abilities to bend, reach, and walk without pain. Ginger tea acts as a skilled mechanic, tightening loose components and lubricating rusty joints for smooth movement. Our top tea is moringa tea, the green powerhouse supplement industries quietly fear. Derived from moringa tree leaves, called the tree of life in many cultures because every part carries healing potential. Beyond 60, muscle loss sneaks gradually, beginning as reduced standing strength, progressing to grocery carrying difficulty, eventually creating unsteady legs. This is sarcopenia, age-related muscle mass loss affecting 1 in 3 seniors. Moringa tea addresses this directly. Moringa leaves contain plant-based proteins, amino acids, calcium, magnesium, and iron, all raw materials your body requires for building and maintaining muscle. Unlike most teas delivering only antioxidants, moringa provides building blocks. Consuming it feeds muscle fibers directly with amino acids, accelerating repair after every activity. Calcium and magnesium support muscle contraction, enabling steady, powerful steps. Iron boosts red blood cell production, carrying oxygen to muscles preventing rapid fatigue. Moringa also contains quercetin, a compound reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative damage inside muscle cells. This protection prevents rapid muscle breakdown, allowing stronger recovery. Many seniors starting moringa report reduced weakness, increased endurance, and surprising return of lost movements. Imagine tying shoes without shaky thighs or walking uphill without stopping. Prepare moringa using dried leaves or powder. For dried leaves, add 1 to 2 teaspoons to hot water just below boiling, steeping 5 minutes before straining. For powder, stir 1 teaspoon into hot water, whisking until smooth. Add fresh ginger for extra anti-inflammatory power or lemon for brightened flavor. Drink once or twice daily, preferably morning to fuel muscles. A 2021 clinical study found older adults consuming moringa leaf extract daily 12 weeks increased muscle mass by 19% and improved walking speed by 15%. These numbers differentiate between cane reliance and unassisted walking. Moringa tea is daily rebuilding, feeding muscles internally while providing exactly what's been missing. The complete protocol involves strategic daily timing. Think 3 zones: morning ignition requiring fuel and circulation, afternoon repair when muscles feel strain, and evening reset calming inflammation for overnight recovery. Start mornings with moringa when muscles are hungriest after overnight fasting. Moringa delivers amino acids, calcium, and iron feeding muscle fibers directly. Brew gently using water below boiling, preserving nutrients. Drink alongside protein-rich breakfast, charging batteries before daily activities. Afternoons, when fatigue arrives, choose hibiscus. This circulation booster sends fresh blood and oxygen to muscles, especially after prolonged sitting. Make stronger during hot weather by steeping petals longer, sipping cool. Tangy flavor refreshes while anthocyanins remain powerful. This midday boost prevents muscles from entering heavy, tired states making evenings feel longer. Evenings close with ginger tea. Warmth relaxes muscles, eases joint stiffness, and calms inflammation so your body focuses on sleep repair. For leg swelling or walking soreness, this tea melts tension away. Drink about an hour after dinner, gently aiding digestion for comfortable sleep. Starting out, aim for 1 cup each daily. As your body adjusts, add second moringa cups mornings or second hibiscus cups on active days. This protocol is simple, natural, and memorable. Morning for building, afternoon for feeding, evening for healing. Common questions answered. Can I drink these while medicated? Yes, but be aware of interactions. Hibiscus lowers blood pressure, potentially excessive with hypertension medication. Ginger slightly thins blood, important if taking blood thinners. Moringa's high iron content could be problematic for certain conditions. Always inform your doctor before starting, especially with prescription drugs. Must I drink all 3 daily? Number benefits occur from 1 or 2, but maximum results require all 3 in the daily protocol. Each tea fills different pieces. Moringa builds muscle tissue, hibiscus maintains circulation delivering nutrients, and ginger reduces inflammation slowing recovery. Missing one slows progress, but start with whichever feels easiest and build up. What if I dislike the taste? Taste adjusts easily. Soften hibiscus with honey or fresh orange. Balance ginger's heat with lemon and honey. Smooth moringa's earthiness with cinnamon or mint leaves. Avoid excessive sugar countering benefits. Light natural sweetener is acceptable while keeping effects intact. How soon will differences appear? Most notice small changes within 2 to 3 weeks. Reduced leg swelling, easier walks, less morning stiffness. Bigger changes like improved balance or strength appear after 8 to 12 weeks with consistency. This isn't quick fixing but gradual rebuilding, improving continuously. Can I batch prepare and store? Yes, brew full daily amounts and refrigerate up to 24 hours. Reheat gently if wanting warm. Hibiscus works especially well cold, while moringa and ginger benefit from warmth aiding absorption and relaxation. Will this replace exercise? No tea replaces movement. These teas provide muscles fuel, protection, and circulation, but you must use them. Walking, stretching, and light strength training double or triple results. Consider teas as foundation building and exercise as house shaping. Now you know 3 teas quietly transforming muscles, energy, and movement. Not through expensive pills or empty bottle promises, but through simple natural ingredients hidden in plain sight all along. Which tea will you try first? After 1 month, will you return sharing what changed? Share your experiences and opinions below. We love hearing them. Thanks for watching.